Hi and welcome. We're giving you a real-life look at these set of Milani sheets today. These are the Madison Purple, and we also have in the Quatrefoil Gray, and we got in the queen size. These sheets are made with microfiber, so they're going to be fade and stain resistant, and they'll also not shrink when you wash them. Okay, let's go inside the Madison Purple first. And by the way, they come in these zippered pouches, which you can save for later, for when you need some extra storage or for traveling. They're really good for that too. And their packaging is very minimal, which is nice to see. So in the pack, you get the flat sheet, the fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. And as I'm feeling them, they're very soft and the colors are nice and vibrant. Do wash them in cold water before using them for the first time. And here's how this set looks in the daytime. It's really quite pretty. And do take note of the size of this mattress that they're on. This is a 12-inch, and these sheets fit perfectly because they have the nice deep pockets. And now here's a silver gray. And this set is also a queen with the same deep pockets. So if you're looking for a darker set for your decor ideas, you might like this pattern here. And the same thing, just wash them in a cold wash once you get them and tumble dry, and they'll be good to go. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.